Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. I work almost entirely from home, and being able to multitask while I'm at home is one of the advantages. Having a great headset that lets me multitask is really such a lifesaver. Right away, when you look at this headset, you can tell that it screams comfort. So the earpieces are really soft. The material is light and velvety to touch, and it has some great foam at the top so it will stay comfortably on your head. The headset fully functions via Bluetooth, and I've easily connected it to all of my devices. I love that it has a mute button right on the microphone, so I can easily swap out of a meeting and deal with something in the house and then come right back to the meeting. I also like this headset a lot because I can multitask if I'm on the phone. So I connect it via Bluetooth, answer a phone call, and I can work around my kitchen, doing dishes, starting meal prep, whatever I need to do while having my headset on. The headset works really well with sound quality, allowing me to hear everything that my listeners are saying, and the mic works just as well for receivers on the other end. Being able to multitask on a meeting is really so important to me, and to me, one of the advantages of working from home. So if you have a good headset that helps you to do that, it really makes all the difference. This one does, and that's my point of view.